Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the AUV Star 2026 upgraded model. This is a MirrorLink device. But it's not only a MirrorLink device, it's a 3-in-1 CarPlay and Android Auto wireless adapter for iOS system and Android system. It is USB and Type-C connectable. It's a nice adapter. It supports all kind of vehicles with a cable CarPlay from 2016. It's on the market available for iPhone or for the Android version. We should select on the Android or the iPhone, depending on our smartphone model. The correct selection ensures a smooth operation of our wireless CarPlay, or of course the Android Car adapter. In case of connection problems, you should change it to another version. The vehicle must have an integrated wired CarPlay. This is an original infotainment system. We check the compatibility as you can see. We check the manufacturer's officer website or throughout our vehicle's information system to see if our car supports the CarPlay. Yeah, streaming apps are supported, but may only be used when the vehicle is parked, not on the go. They are responsible for complication with the local laws. And here it comes, fully upgraded, new with MirrorLink and mirror function. The latest Star model combines wireless CarPlay, MirrorLink, and plug-and-play technology. The iPhone is compatible. The Android phones are compatible. All kind of Android phones are compatible. It is in one compact device. Experience seamless wireless CarPlay in the mirror of our iPhone or Android smartphone screen of the vehicle for screen. Really nice. We only set it up once. Then we have a permanent connection. Yes, only we have to set up once on our wireless CarPlay system or Android Auto. It will do the rest for us. With a 5.8 GHz dual band, we get 100% better performance, higher stability, and almost zero delays. We enjoy uninterrupted music streaming, navigation, and hands-free calls, even in city traffics. This CarPlay adapter for the iPhone and Android smartphones supports OTA updates for always up-to-date features. It is highly efficient at dissipation. The wireless CarPlay model has a unique side slot design and a fast heat dissipable aluminum alloy for excellent connectivity and delicious cooling. Compared to closed design, this lowered the temperature up to 35%. Even on long journeys and with the intensive use, the device remains cool and stable for a maximum safety and performance. Most of the cars will match us here because this adapter is compatible with iPhone 6 and of course newer iOS 11 Plus and Android 11 Plus. These devices will cover 98% of all vehicles with standard wired CarPlay in Android Auto. Maybe not compatible can be BMW and Tesla models. The ideal CarPlay adapter for almost any vehicle, of course. And you see, it's easy to connect them, pair them, jobs done then. AUV Star believes that every journey should be full of joy, with a reliable, seamless basics, comprehensive, intelligent solutions to unique expressions of feeling and style. They accompany every trip. They connect not only functions, but also our heart with such a 4-in-1 CarPlay adapter. It makes a really good job in our car, and of course we can make a MirrorLink using here too to make a MirrorLink possible. Direct our smartphone mirror on the screen of our car. And of course we can use Android Auto and CarPlay by Apple. It will be reconnect automatically, as you can see, and it is really easy to connect and really easy to use after you paired it once. This is the AUV Star 2026 upgraded CarPlay adapter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun! We are back in the game, as you can see. Godlike.